Hello, my dear guest. You can improve debugging experience by grouping your console logs. Let me show you how you can do it. Let's say we have like these 6 console logs, and this is our work and this is our home. And if we look into it, it's not like very good and clear what is what. But we can improve it by grouping them. So we can type console group and say it's work. And we need to finish our group with console group end. We will do the same for our home. And let's do it like this one. And now, when we look, it looks much better, and you can actually open and close them. So this is how you group your console logs. And remember, work is not everything in your life. Have a great day. Bye.